Hi, I'm Jim Nunn, and I specialize in renovation financing. I help people buy that low priced bargain deal fixer upper and turn it into an equity rich dream home.
Every day, families drive through neighborhoods they love, looking for a home they can afford. Then they find it, the outdated house with peeling paint, old carpet, and a kitchen that hasn't been touched in decades. The house everyone else has overlooked. The right price, but not move in ready. It's a fixer upper, and most people see problems. We see possibilities because we have the resources and experience to make it happen. Because we believe your dream home isn't always the house that's perfect. Sometimes it's a house with untold potential, waiting for someone like you with vision. Imagine buying the low priced fixer upper and transforming into an equity rich dream home designed exactly the way you want it. The kitchen you've always dreamed of, the perfect master bedroom, the open floor plan, the beautiful finishes, and the best part of all, in the location you truly love. Yes, we are a mortgage lender, but this story is about more than financing. It's about the experience. At Assurance Financial, we're obsessed with creating an experience worth bragging about. That's why we dedicate ourselves to working with true professionals. We train realtors, contractors, loan officers, and everyone involved in the process to work together as one team and with one mission to turn a fixer upper into your dream home. When everyone understands the process and works together, something amazing happens. We become efficient, we move quickly, we communicate clearly, and we create wow moments that people remember for years. Our renovation loan program is more than a mortgage. It's an opportunity to stop compromising, an opportunity to have the right location, the perfect home, and a payment you can afford. Because we don't believe families should have to choose between where they want to live and the home they want to live in. We believe they can have both. And there's nothing more rewarding than handing someone the keys to a home they once thought was impossible and watching them realize this isn't just a house, this is their dream home. Assurance Financial specializes in renovation lending, but more importantly, we specialize in creating an experience you will brag about for years to come. My name is Jim Nunn, and I'm a renovation and construction lending expert. Give me a call today, and let's see if this works for you.